Wow, little artists! Today, we are going to draw and color alphabets, A, Z, and numbers 0 to 9 in a fun and easy way.
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's start. First, let's write the alphabets A to Z neatly. First row, A to H. Second row, I to Q.
La da 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 dee.
Third row, R to Z.
La da 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 dee.
Now, let's write the numbers 0 to 9 in the fourth row.
La da 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 dee.
Great job! Now let's make them bold and sharp using a black marker to make them pop. Whoa! It's looking awesome!
Yay!
Time to color! Let's grab our color pens and make our alphabets and numbers colorful like a rainbow. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Indigo color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Yay!
Purple color. Indigo color.
Wow!
Blue color.
La 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 la.
Bottle green color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Rose red color. So many beautiful colors. Our alphabets and numbers look amazing. Great job, everyone. You did fantastic. If you had fun drawing and coloring with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun art videos. See you in the next drawing adventure. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.